And welcome to today's tutorial on how to draw a wolf.
So first, let's start right in the middle with a nose. We're going to draw somewhat of a little bit of a circle, leaving it open-ended on the end. And then inside the circle, we're going to draw two slivers that we're going to leave white. And that way we can see a lighter spot within the nose, just like so. All right, we're going to draw a tiny line coming straight down like so. And for the mouth, there's one side, the loop, then the other side. There we go. He's got little dimples. And we're going to add some details here just for the fun of it. Just like so. Alright, for the eyes, we're going to draw kind of like an upside down U and an eye line there. Same thing over here. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to draw the circle inside to finish out the eyeball. Just like so. We're going to draw another circle on the inside to be the glare. And once you're done that, you can fill it in. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna draw some lines above the eye, like so. And trying to give him a forehead line there. Alright, let's go ahead and draw some fuzz for the top of his head and for the ear. Bring it around like that and then stop because we're going to finish it with hair, like that. Then same thing on this side. Stop about there. Bring it down and do the same on this side. Finish on that side. That looks awesome. Now we're going to draw a little bit of the inside of the ear on both sides. And this will be rather dark, but we're going to add some lines here. Same thing on this side. And then inside of that, I'm going to fill in some black. Like so. And step off of the black like that. Kind of give it a hairy ear look. Sometimes detailed art like that is hard to do with a Sharpie. With practice, you can do it. Okay, I'm gonna poke off some sides there, some extra hair. And there's that side. I'm gonna do a line down on this side. Like so. Somewhat of a solid line. And bring in the rest there. Okay, I'm gonna draw a little bit of a chin.
Good job. And then we're going to add a few shadow lines underneath it, just like so. There we go, just a few more. Get just to kind of cover some details for the chin. All right, let's bring it down here a little bit. Just add some detail lines. And if you ever need to pause the video to see if you need to catch up, that's fine. No worries, no rush. Art's fun, especially when you take your time. Draw chest hairs. There we go. And give it a little bit of an outline. Nice. Let's go ahead and come down to his foot, bring it up as a leg, and draw his paw. A little bit of a loop, and loop back. You can do like we did. We sketched it out with a pencil first, so we can kind of get the proportions we want. And that really does help when you're doing marker art like this. especially if you want to go back and color it later. Make sure that your proportions are right. There we go. Let's see. Let's bring that back to like an elbow. Add some detailed lines. There you go. Add some more hair, which also creates kind of like a shadowing effect. And so, which is more fun for this style, to be able to add shadow with being able to add hair. So, yeah. Continue the leg up, just with line art. There you go. Okay, let's continue here. Add basically between the legs and where it's going to be a darker shadow in the center, below the chest. There we go. Awesome. A few more lines. You know what? I'm going to make this area darker. Yeah, that looks better. Definitely better for a shadow or a shaded area. Nice. I would love to see how yours looks. If you want to upload it as a comment, link, or whatever. There we go. Add some more hairs for definition. Random. Just random. All right, let's bring his neck back towards his back. There we go. Just a few extra lines. Bringing it back towards his back legs. And then hairy legs. Here we go. Alright, continue to add just random lines on top of our sketch to be able to finish this back leg. Make it look a little hairy. Alright, and then the hind part of the leg. Sometimes you can add just a straight, smooth line to add definition with the hair later. Let's finish the paw. Add the elbow, yep, bring it back like that. Good. Finish out the paw. And there we go. And there's the back paw. This whole area in here is going to be dark, but we're going to add some lines for hair and then fill in below it, because all of that below it's just going to be really dark. Yeah. Try not to make the paw too small. I'm a poet, didn't know it. There we go. Alright. Looking good. Alright, let's add some hair on the back of the leg. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Nice and fun. Alright, we'll add some more details in a minute. Let's go ahead and go to the tail. Just add line after line to give a fuzzy tail look until you meet back at the top. Now, it's not a bushy tail like what you think. We're going to add a loop right there. There we go. And continue adding lines to create a furry, hairy tail look. And we'll add some shading here at the bottom here in just a second with those lines. That'll pretty much be black down there. Alright, let's fill this in here. Okay. Let's add a few hairs off of that so it looks like it's shading. And then, there we go. Let's add these. Yeah, that looks better. Kind of add definition to the tail. Good. Alright, let's step back and do some extra lines for definition for the neck and the belly. Just to add some definition. And that he does have fur instead of just all the lines are all just shadows. Add some fur. Be random with this if you want. Or if you need to add shadows or details to add shading, that's fine too. Alright. I'm going to jump back up to the chin and add a little bit more dark down in there, just to add some definition. And bring cheek out a little bit. Well, there you have it. Simple drawing of a wolf. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with the artist friend who loves to draw with a marker. See you next time on Crafty Christian.